Little storyteller.
A blue sock with white stripes named Zip wiggled behind the big, noisy dryer. He was all alone. The space was dusty and dark, except for a little bit of light peeking through. "Oh dear," sighed Zip, his knitted mouth drooping. "I miss my partner." Nearby, a fuzzy pink sock with tiny pom-poms named Pip whimpered. Her fluffy pink fabric felt itchy with dust. "It's so dark back here," she said in a small voice. Then a long green sock with yellow toes named Stretch stretched himself out. "Hello," he called. "Is anyone else here?" "Yes," cried Zip and Pip together. They all wiggled closer. "We are all lost," said Pip sadly, her pom-poms bouncing. Stretch had a good idea. "Maybe if we work together, we can get out," he exclaimed, his yellow toes wiggling with excitement. "I'm long, Pip. You have soft loops. Zip, you are strong." Pip carefully looped one of her pom-poms around Stretch's green top. Zip then helped tie his striped top around Pip's middle. They were now connected. Slowly and carefully, Stretch wiggled forward, pulling Pip and Zip behind him. They moved like a colorful sock rope through the dusty darkness. Finally, they reached the edge of the dryer. Above them was a big, bright laundry basket filled with soft clothes. Stretch gave a big wiggle, and Zip gave a strong pull. They tumbled into the basket with a soft landing. "We did it," cheered Pip, her pom-poms shaking with joy. "We worked together," said Zip happily. Soon a kind hand reached into the basket and picked up Zip and another blue striped sock. "Hooray!" cried Zip. Pip and Stretch were happy for their friend. Even though they were still single socks, they knew they weren't alone anymore. They had each other, and they learned that when you help each other, even big problems can be solved. It's like when you share your toys. Playing together is much more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.